The School of Engineering at Deakin is about 1,500 students across our undergraduate and postgraduate programs, which would include around about 60 PhD students. We've got about 75 staff across administration, technical and academic. We deliver most of our curriculum through a design-based learning approach where we take real industry problems, encapsulate them into a problem which is suitable to be delivered in the classroom, and the students work collectively on those projects to facilitate their learning.
They're actually given a real problem where they have to find solutions, working together but also designing and really bringing the creativity into play. So it's not just theory, it's design, and it's creating very entrepreneurial, creative students.
The Centre of Advanced Design and Engineering Training, or CADET as it's commonly known, is a new facility here at Deakin University, and it comprises of state-of-the-art equipment, laboratories and learning environments to allow students to collaboratively work together on industry-based projects.
We are investing over $6.5 million in specialist teaching equipment. So we will have a full immersion virtual reality lab. We will have very high-end 3D printers, metals, plastics, plasters. Some very, very sophisticated CNC machining centres, laser cutters, water jet cutters. A high voltage lab, which will be one of the largest in Australia, that will be used for demonstrations, practical work as well as research.
The students will be benefiting from Cadet because they'll have access to the latest technologies. Basically, if they can think it, then we can build it, and it's as simple as that. So therefore, whatever's in their imagination can be created, and with the guidance of technicians who are experts in their field to help realise their dreams.
Cadet, even though it is at the construction phase, we're using it as a learning environment. Our undergraduate engineers are touring the site at different stages of the construction and getting to interact with the people who are putting the building up and understanding the intricacies of structural engineering, civil engineering, hydraulics, you name it. So a big part of the way we'll be teaching is to include industry into the process.
The idea around Cadet is to come up with a new curriculum that will focus on student-centred education. The students drive the learning process. Design-based learning, project-based learning are some of the learning principles that are usually involved in a student-centred curriculum. The idea of the new curriculum will be to have the students learn through design activities, but driven through a project which has a completion. Students will be working on industry projects and will provide real solutions required or requested by industry.
Industry partners are very much a key part of what we do within the School of Engineering. Right from our work we do in engaging with high school students, we try and bring relevance to those sessions through using industry partners and industry experience, into our undergraduate programs where we use industry to help us design and come up with good projects for students, and also into our research space where very much a lot of our research is aligned to the needs of industry, solving problems they have today and looking forward to solving problems that they're likely to come across tomorrow and beyond.
An example of a very successful partnership which we have been working on is with SB AusNet, which is an international company in the area of electrical and electronics engineering. The engineering workforce has a lot of people who are about to retire or will retire in the next few years. So the idea of that is to capture that knowledge from those engineers and share that with our students. So what we're doing is we are capturing short cloud concepts or video concepts. It's a project that I think will change the way young engineers think.
We pride ourselves on producing graduates that are very employable and ready to go out into industry to make a difference. We blend our education between hands-on and theoretical. We see that we are going to be an exemplary education provider, offering something different, offering something that prepares graduates for very meaningful and long-term careers in engineering in Australia and overseas.